Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to provide a short overview of this course's theme and provide at least some context for why I've selected this particular theme. And so just to get started, this class will walk you through the steps of building a quality research essay, which students so often attempt within usually a couple of days before the due date. That is not exactly the best way of conducting research and expressing arguments. And so the major assignments in this class are designed to guide students through the research process. We'll start with the proposal essay, in which you will inform me of the topic that you have selected for this course. And then we will work on collecting and assessing sources, which will culminate in creating an annotated bibliography. And the final project for this course, the final major assignment for this course, will be the research essay, in which you will express and support a focused argument. But first, before you do any of that, you've got to select the topic. And for that, I have structured this class around a very specific kind of theme. And the theme is common myths or misconceptions. Now, I came to this theme when I realized every field has some kind of misconception or assumption that most in that field accept as true, even if it's not. For instance, in the medical field, studies have revealed that doctors assume women have higher tolerances to pain than men. And so they are less likely to prescribe medication for pain to women. They assume that if a woman is complaining of pain, that she must be exaggerating or seeking attention. Likewise, students often assume that before our current generation, all women were expected to stay home and raise children. However, the reality of the past is far more complex. Women staying home and raising children was the ideal, not the reality of women's lives in the past. Poor women did not have the luxury of staying home. They too had to work and support their families. Unfortunately for them, there were not as many job opportunities as there were for men. So misconceptions like these create a distorted picture of our world and its history. Even worse, these common myths and misconceptions are very difficult to eradicate. They stick. The purpose of this class is to help students recognize that some of these assumptions are based on common myths and misconceptions. Moreover, I want students to start questioning these assumptions and to start working toward dismantling them. And I'm hoping that to start that process in this class. That doesn't mean I think we'll solve all of these issues, but we can start working toward unraveling these assumptions from fact. And so that is my goal, or my primary goal for this class. And if you have any questions, by all means, please let me know. I'll be happy to provide any answers I can.